Our founder, Asher Dick Kelty, made it his mission to help nature newbies get out with minimal fuss and maximum fun. It would take a very bold pack to bear his name. Our Asher 65 is that pack. Perfectly sized for travel light weekends or kitchen sink overnights, Asher 65 is roomy but never bulky. An advanced perimeter frame gives you a firm foundation, no matter what you're hauling, with load transfer technology to ensure the strongest parts of your body bear the weight. Our Fit Pro torso adjustment system gives you a customized fit, complete with load lifter straps for extra stabilization. And to help you stay cool and comfortable on the trail, our AmpFlow ventilated back panel keeps the mountain air a-blowing when and where you need it most. Asher 65 is also a storage superstar. In addition to a roomy main cargo area, you'll find dual water bottle sleeves, a large zippered accessory pocket, and a special spot just for your sleeping bag. Plus, a stretchy hip belt pocket for your phone and other accessories. Compression straps on the floating lid and sides keep your stuff locked down tight. And tool loops keep your trekking poles close at hand. It's compatible with most internal hydration systems too. The Asher 65 from Kelty. Let's take this outside.